What's up guys, Thomas here, Tipper Parts of Rc-Xtreme up at the Mega Gravel Pit, and as you can see it's still a lot of snow left here and it's extremely muddy and wet, so it's gonna be a nasty bash. It's mostly to do some more proper bashing with the Losi 5ive, the SWB, the short wheel-based one that was finished a couple of weeks ago. So this one has 65 millimeters shorter wheelbase than the stock one. Hopefully it's gonna be quite more nimble. And as normal, or the chassis is I think it's a Team Chace from Dave's Discount Motors that I got way back. Nothing super fancy. Made my own bracket from the originally Losi electric conversion kit. Still that motor mount, but I will change to the WFO one. Let's see if you can see anything here. So it's shortened from the rear, and also the waist is narrowed, but that's something that I did when I got the car because I think it's a little bit too, I would say, fat. So and the body is from greatfull that I needed to adjust to fit. See if we can power this one up. So see if we can do some kind of jumping away. Yeah, with that. Yeah, we can actually drive up there. Yep. So long time ago I ran this for. Well, I'm not sure where to stand, so See if we can do some kind of jumping over here. Talk about muddy. Gonna take a week to clean this beast. Okay, so if we can do any proper jumping. Yeah. We definitely could. No possibility to come up here. So like I said, this is just a feels so great. Oh. I think we're gonna go for one more. Don't you think, guys? I think so. Perfect. Well, I'm gonna go down there and see what, because I know I landed pretty darn perfect, but maybe a boulder or something was sticking up. So, well, if I'm not mistaken, I think I have a couple of front arms, so no big deal. Not sure if I'm gonna go through the mid-diff. Yeah. Yep, broke that. Oh, and the standoff too. Darn it. Might be able to solve that. And the body too. Well, such is life.